power क्या है गाड़ी में? This is the all new automatic Scorpio. No. This is the mighty muscular Scorpio. Going smooth, huh, Raka? No sound, nothing. Look at the sunset, huh?
How do you feel after driving this car after a long time?
Feels very good, yeah. What the power the car has got. No other vehicles have this power now.
I am loving this car. Right?
Yeah. Show the nature. Show the this.
The main thing what I like about this car is the AC, the powerful chillness.
The powerful chillness AC is there. Look at chillness, yeah. Super exciting and chill.
Roger,
Yeah.
I think we need a touchscreen here.
Yeah, we'll fit a touchscreen now for this.
Oh, that's Ronnie?
That is the one.
Look at the driving, he's driving so harshly, so rudely.
Look at the smoothness of this car.
I love
Like
it.
air, huh? It's like makhan. You don't even know how to drive it.
What does it mean, Makhan?
Makhan is like butter. See this gear, smooth, changing,
Oh,
so
you're
smooth.
talking about the smoothie.
Yeah.